The Realme P3 Pro has just arrived. I'm gonna unbox it, run some benchmarks, do the gaming test on it right here. And this is just for the unboxing. Alright gamers, let's see what this packet has for you inside. Okay, so it's saying Realme mystery box, Born to Slay. I don't know what mystery does it hold, but let's see. Oh, by the way, it's a media box, so whenever you guys will purchase this phone, you won't get this box, but you will surely get the box inside it. So the first thing that comes out is this envelope which carries some paperwork, SIM ejector tool and a translucent case actually. And finally the Realme P3 Pro 5G Nebula Glow. Let's peel this speaker off. Oh god, it's so satisfying. How do you like the color? I think I am liking the color. It's very fresh looking. So the phone has a beautiful texture on the back which feels a bit woodish, and the Realme branding is there. A circular camera ring is there which I don't like. It has a dual camera setup, and I am guessing, I don't know the specifications, but I am guessing the secondary camera is a VGA sensor. There is a ring light, there is a main camera. On the front we have curved edges, metal frame on sides, glass on the back, and we got volume rockers and power button on the right, a C-type port here, a speaker grill, mic along with SIM tray. Now if we look to the top of the phone, we have infrared sensor, noise cancellation mic and one more port. The phone is now turned on. Let's quickly set it up. Oh, and by the way, Realme has officially announced that this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, and Realme has also collaborated with Krafton, the parent company of BGMI, to enhance some gaming in this phone through AI. I don't know what, but let's see how the gaming is and how the performance is of this phone. The setup process of the Realme P3 Pro 5G is done. Now I'm gonna run some benchmarks on it and play a match of BGMI. So the first benchmark is Antutu, and in that benchmark the Realme P3 Pro 5G has scored 8.2 lakh, which is a little disappointing. I was expecting a slightly better score, but yeah, that's that. Next, I will run the Geekbench on it to test how well the phone performs when it comes to heavy tasks and basic tasks. So as you can see, the Realme P3 Pro 5G has scored 1191 in single core and 3229 in multi-core, which means the phone is really good when it comes to heavy tasks. So I ran the CPU throttling on this phone 2 times. The first one was 15 minutes 20 threads and the second was 30 minutes 40 threads. Now this phone performed very well in both the tests, but when I switched it to 30 minutes and 40 threads, I saw a really good score. So that means when you push it to its limits, the phone will perform even better. So that was the Realme P3 Pro 5G's performance testing, and while the Antutu disappointed me, the CPU throttling impressed me a lot. Now it's time to show you the real world usage, which means let's fire up a BGMI match. So my initial thought on gaming on this phone is that the gameplay is fine. I am right now playing it on smooth extreme graphics. The Extreme Plus is yet to come with an update, and you can also play BGMI on this phone on up to Ultra and Ultra HD graphics. So that was Realme P3 Pro 5G and its performance for you. The phone is launching on 18th February. Stay tuned for our review, and bye.